If you ever started playing music or a video in public only to realize that your earbuds were not connected, and yes, that can be embarrassing. Luckily, your Galaxy S26 Ultra has a preloaded routine that can help prevent exactly that. It's called Earbud Connection Check. Let me show you how to customize it. First, open Settings, tap Mode and Routine, then tap Discover at the bottom. Scroll down to the Advanced Routine section. Find Earbud Connection Check and tap it. This routine has 3 sections. First, under If, tap Media is being played. Now select the apps you want this routine to monitor. Here, let's select Spotify and YouTube as the example. Then tap Done. Next, under 10 section, you will see Get Connected Bluetooth Device. Tap the If condition. Under Operator, choose Is Not. And under Value, select the earbud you want to check. Then tap Done and tap Done again. Now, when the selected media start playing and those earbuds are not connected, the routine will do 2 things. First, media volume will be set so that the phone speaker is at 0%. The routine also keeps the volume setting for wired headphone and Bluetooth audio. Let's leave this volume setting as they are. Next, the routine shows a custom notification to remind you to connect your earbud. So if you accidentally start playing Spotify or YouTube without your earbud connected, your phone will not suddenly blast the audio through its speaker. Instead, the speaker is mute and you will get a reminder to connect your earbud. If the earbuds are connected, the condition isn't met, so the routine doesn't take action. Next, under the When Routine Ends section, you will see that the media volume will return to the status it had before the routine run. At the bottom, you have 3 options: Edit, Share, and Save. Let's tap Save to save the customized routine. And that's how to prevent your Galaxy S26 Ultra from accidentally playing media out loud when your earbuds are not connected. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.